Breaking news, we are learning that the CPI's Rajya Sabha MP Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya was actually spotted at the farmers' protest. The farmers' protest has been anything but peaceful today, and let's in fact zoom in a little bit more if possible to that one image that you see on your screens. There it is. You see a better grab that our cameras have been able to capture. This is the CPI's Rajya Sabha MP Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, who was seen at the protest. The protest, again and again, I reiterate, that was anything but peaceful. You have seen this mob unruly on the streets of the national capital. There has been damage that has been reported to property. The Delhi police again and again appealing to these farmer representatives to return back to the pre-designated route. But do remember, the government and the Delhi police has been reiterating that there are vested interests, there are influencers who have been trying to ensure that there is no peaceful resolution to the entire protest. Now you see him. This is the CPI's Rajya Sabha MP Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya spotted at the farmers' protest today. So what was he doing there? In what capacity was he part of these protests? We are standing by to get you more updates with our colleagues in just a bit. But as I said, ladies and gentlemen, if you look very, very closely at what's been happening on the streets of Delhi for the last 4 to 5 hours now, you have seen protests, you have seen vandalism. The media there also has been threatened. You are not allowed to ask them questions. But the Delhi police again and again has been trying to reiterate, Piyush, as you join us with more details in the broadcast, that all these protesting farmers now need to go back, and they need to go back to the pre-designated routes, Piyush. But what more do we know about the CPI's Rajya Sabha MP? I think Anuj will have more information on that story. So let's take this briefly to him. Anuj, the CPI Rajya Sabha MP is spotted at the farmers' protests, and still there are people who want to believe that there are no political vested interests in these protests.
Well, what exactly is this happening then? The visuals are speaking themselves, Deepti. We are understanding what is the situation on the ground level, what is happening in the national capital, how the violence was witnessed at every corner of the national capital. This was at ITO, this was at Red Fort, this was at Ghazipur, this was at Singhu border. So the farmers there are not ready to understand, not ready to listen to the administration. They are pelting stone, they are throwing lathis, they are using iron rods, and like these are something what we have seen since from the very morning today. How when they started their tractor rally, they were specific route which was allocated to them. It was very much clear by the administration where they have to go. But on the other hand, what we have seen is barricades after barricades being broken by the farmers. How they tried to threaten the police personnel, how they attacked police personnel, how the administration was attacked, and how they bargain and they get into the national capital and trying to reach to the central Delhi, to the Lithians. And there we have seen what is happening at Lal Killa. So the leaders like this need to see all these visuals, and after that only they should realize, after that only they should come out with any kind of statement that what exactly national capital is witnessing. Because every area, let me tell you, when we are talking about Lithians, when we are talking about central Delhi, every connected area is closed at this point in time. I'm right now standing at ITO, and this is all like blocked. On one side, this is police personnel along with the RAF personnel standing. The force is standing on one side. These are farmers who are sitting with the body in front of them. This is something what is happening in national capital.
Yes, Anuj, I'll just give you a breather right now.